Good morning and welcome to the lots located at 549 Milner Pass Road in South Fork, Colorado. We are here on 4 lots that total 0.6 acres, so just a little bit more than a half an acre. And in this neighborhood, you have to have at least a half an acre in order to build. So these lots do qualify. And so there are 4 of them. There's one here. We are standing on the second one. There is one down here. And then the 4th one is out this direction and it's right here. So you can't really see it, but there's a road that runs right here. And so this lot goes from road to road. There are 3 lots on one side and 1 on the other. And so it's kind of a T shape, but you are allowed to build on this lot because you have enough space. So unlike a lot of the lots in here, a lot of them are very flat without any terrain or anything like this. This one has actually a little bit of slope and terrain to it. It's got some fun stuff. So if you want to build up high, you can build on this up here and you'll get the great views facing south to the mountain. If you're looking for a little more privacy, you can build down in here where it's kind of lower. It's almost like a little dip down here. So you get your choice. You have to install a well and a septic, and you do have electricity at the lot line or very close by. So those folks over there have electricity. So there would be electricity definitely at that lot line, if not this one over here. You have landline phone. There is good internet reception here as far as like 4G and cell service. We do have wired fiber CLO internet service that comes in with your electricity. So that's incredible. We have world-class internet available. And if you check the comments, I will also upload a drone video so you can take a look at the property from the sky. There are incredible mountain views from all of the lot, but up here on the higher spot is probably where you're gonna get the best views from. Like there's a great building spot right here. We've got some open space here. And then this would be your view to the south. So this lot's going to get great sunshine all year round. There are no covenants and no restrictions in this neighborhood. So short-term rentals are allowed. We are outside of the city limits. So all you have to get is a county building permit. And the county is mostly worried about snow load and footer depths, things like that, your construction quality. They do not restrict as far as short-term rental or, income producing property. I think you have to have a minimum of 700 square feet. But you can see here, they've built like a metal shop. So if you wanted to build like a barndominium, this is going to be a great lot for it. It's very aggressively priced. So give us a call. My name is Dee. Again, check the description and the comments for a link to my blog and a link to the drone video. You can get a lot of information just seeing this property from the sky. Again, my name is Dee, 719-873-5605, and make sure you like and follow. I post great lots and homes that are for sale all the time, and you'll be the first to see them if you like and follow my channel. So, oh, wait a minute, hold on, look at this. I can't believe this. Look at that. I love hunting for shed antlers, right? And I hardly ever find one. I'm just so busy anymore that I can't get out here and do it. So anyway, that's a nice little buck that left that for us. We have deer and elk through here all the time. Rabbits, owls. It's a great place for wildlife. So anyway, there's your view from the top of the lot. Give me a call. My name is Dee, 719-873-5605. 5605. Thanks.